Before resolving on removing that your teeth due to toothache, first watch this video. Toothache can be very, very painful. So many people don't sleep at night. To most people, the solution is to remove it. But I have brought good news for you. If your dentist has already booked you for operation to remove your teeth, watch this video. Toothache is caused by a bacteria. And if you remove one, that bacteria might go to the next teeth. You still removing, the bacteria goes to the other teeth. It means that before you get old, for old age, you'll be eating them. You will not even be able to eat because all your teeth are gone. So see how natural things, common things found in your kitchen can help you to keep your teeth. And also for those with bleeding gums, like the gums are bleeding, you cannot chew anything. Watch this video and get your solution. We have just two items that you need for that your toothache. What is this one? Is potash. They call it potash. Most people know it. In our common language, we call it, in Cameroon we call it akanwa, or limestone in English. Like if you want to go and Google, you Google limestone or you Google potash. This is it. You need potash and you also need your cloves. Those are just the two simple items that you need. How are you going to prepare this mixture? You take your potash, you grind it to powder form, grind it to let it be powder, then you sieve to have that fine flour. Then you take your cloves also. You can take this quantity of potash is okay for you, and then a cloves, the quantity like this is also okay for you. So you get this quantity, grind them to powder form. Then now put small water to form a paste. The water should not be too much because it is not supposed to be watery, just small water. You know what a paste is, like toothpaste. So you make a paste from it and you take that paste, you go to where that teeth is paining you, where you have that pain, you place it there. Even if it's your gum, you place it on your gum, just place it there. Don't swallow, please, don't swallow it. You don't eat it. You just have to leave it there for some time, like 10 minutes. It will pain you a bit, but the pain is there to relieve you from that tooth pain. So even if it's paining, just persevere. Hold it inside your mouth for some time, like 10 minutes. Then you go and spit it out. When you spit it out, now you can put water and rinse your mouth. Do that after. You are doing it twice a day, but two times. That's in the morning, you do it 2 times. When you do it the first time, you wait for like 30 minutes. You do it again. You leave it like that. In the evening, you do it. You wait another 30 minutes. You still do it again, and you leave it like that. My dear, after 1 week, you come and give us your testimony. After 1 week, just for the first 2 days, you sleep peacefully. But after 1 week, you see that you'll be free from that tooth pain. You'll be free from that toothache. You'll be free from that bleeding gums. So don't go and remove your teeth. Try this natural remedy first. Then you thank nature and you thank our God Almighty. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. For those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and also turn on the notification button so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you guys. Bye.